How to flip and rotate a video in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can flip and rotate video in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up CapCut and you'll need to import your video. So simply import your video. After you import the video, just let it load, let it rest on your timeline. And after you do that, what you'll then need to do is you should see this option right here that says your positioning, your basic and your stuff. So what you can do here is you can scroll down and you will see different options like rotate. Now what you can do here is you can simply use this cursor like icon to rotate the video. Now it's really easy. You can even add keyframes. So yeah, you can just add keyframes. You can add it to different points here. So let me add one right here. And after I do that, let me add another one right here by rotating a bit more. I'll just add another one right here, another one right here. Okay, let me just rotate a bit more, add another one, again go here, add another one by rotating again, add another one by rotating again, and keep this process going until it makes a full circle. So let me do that here. And then now if I play this video, it should start rotating. And there you can see it starts rotating like this. And that is how you can rotate and flip a video in your CapCut. And that is basically all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.